that's it. If I go to my earn wallet, you can see my current things I have. Welcome to today's video. In this video, I'll be teaching you how to make passive cryptocurrency with the Binance Earn function on the Binance mobile app. So without further ado, let's get started. The first thing you want to do is make sure you're on the Binance homepage. So you can see on the bottom there's markets, trades, etc. So you make sure you're on the homepage. So once you're on the homepage, you can see here there's like a menu. So it says like deposit, referral, strategy change, earn, and more. So for me, earn is already here, so I will click there. But if you don't see earn there, you want to click more. So click more, and you want to scroll down until you see earn, and within the earn section you want to click earn. So once you have clicked earn, you want to, so there's many coins. So for example, there's Tether, there's Ether, and etc. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click search coin. So it'll search all the coins and with all the ways you can make passive crypto, and you'll find the best way, and you can go on from there. So I'm going to click search coin, and actually I'm not going to search because this is the available cryptocurrencies I have in my wallet right now. So I have Tether, Ethereum, Coti, and Decentraland. So let's say I want to make passive income from Tether. So this is actually all. So you see, this is high yield and this is guaranteed. So guaranteed is safer. You're guaranteed to make this much. APYs is per year. So for example, you put in 1,000 USDT at the start of the year, January 1st. So at the end of the year, you get 10% more. So that's 1,100 USD. So, and high yield is basically more risky stuff. It's not guaranteed, but for this video, I'll be doing guaranteed. And so there's two types: there's flexible duration and there's 30-day duration. So and fixed. So basically, a flexible duration, it means that you can put it in and you can like take it out anytime. You can take it out 5 days, you can take it out 6 days. And like fixed means that you cannot take it out until that duration is finished. So here, USDT, the 5% one, which says 30 days, that's an example of a fixed duration. So you can take it out within in 30 days. You only take it out after 30 days, so be careful of that. So in this case, I want to do 10% APY for Tether and flexible, so I'll click on it, and I'll ask you how much USDT you want to put. I want to put all I have, so that's how much I have, and click I have read and agreed to the Binance savings service, and click confirm. But you can also see some stuff here like subscription date, value date, interest distribution date, etc, etc. And you can see some tier rates. So if you have more than 2,000 USD, the APY will be 3%, etc. So make sure you review all the terms and everything before you actually do it, and also read more about it on the Binance website. I'm sure you can find something. So I think for me this is alright, so I'll click confirm. And as you can see, it says subscribe. So there's all the details, and you can also click auto subscribe. So auto subscribe, it will basically I'll just read it out from here. It says the available balance in your spot wallet will be used daily at 2 o'clock and 8 o'clock to subscribe to flexible savings. So it will automatically transfer it from your spot wallet to your own wallet, but I don't want that. So that's it. If I go to my own wallet, you can see my current things I have staked, and it's currently earning passive income. So you can see more stats here, like how much interest you have accumulated, total, and other stuff. So, and if you want to remove it, you just want to go your own wallet, and you want to click on the answer you want to remove. You want to click redeem. You can either wait fast redeem or standard redeem. So standard redeem, you basically by the end of the day, and you get your reward for the day. But fast redeem, you get your previous rewards but not the reward for the day, and it's fast and stuff. So and you click max, and I agree and confirm, but I don't want to do that, and I want to keep in there. So that's basically it. If you enjoyed the video and you learned something new, please like and subscribe. Also, check out my Ethereum NFT collection called CryptoTigers. The website is cryptotigers.club and the link will also be in the description. Check out the website for much more information such as what the NFT collection is and how I created it. NFT minting is also available. Have a good day. Goodbye.